on with me. I look at it, I talk to it like my best friend, and I pretty much just show the world what I'm doing.
Good morning! Happy Tuesday! And I actually am happier today because I'm not going to school. He called me last night, we were talking back and forth, and I was just like, yeah, no. I'm not in the right headspace right now for this internship, and I'll just come back like next week or something. And they're surprisingly cool with it. That's a cool thing about my school is like they're pretty lenient with the schedule and the internship, so I can take time off whenever. Come back, finish up classes later, whatever. It's chill. So right now I'm just getting ready. Go to the beach, got my romper, floopy floppies, and my hat. The birthday hat makes a reappearance.
Oh,
why are you throwing change? Oh, that actually hit me.
Sorry.
You're a jerk. I got that on camera too.
Abuse.
Ah.
I just settled my day, right?
Brayden, you always have a backpack on.
Okay,
You are Brayden the Explorer.
Yeah.
You definitely want to try to drink these quickly, because otherwise they start getting like really thick. And you're like, trying to swallow it. You want to have a big ass? You gotta like,
No.
they said no.
I do.
And I'm gonna tell them anyways. So I'm gonna stay at my friend's house.
Oh, yeah?
And her husband
Uh-huh.
in Summerlin.
Yeah.
And they have a pool and a gym, and I'm gonna lay by the pool and work out at the gym and stay in the room. And she has another girl staying at her house right now too. So
Dang.
so we're gonna be sharing the bedroom. It's gonna be like dormsies. And
Lucky husband.
Yes, I was thinking the same.
Yeah.
How much is rent?
And then I might go to the Summerlin library because I missed that. It's a really nice library.
Sure.
I might go to I'll definitely go to my favorite raw food cafe called Go Raw and get some juices, some smoothies.
Go
I love
Raw.
that place. That's the bomb.
Go raw.
I might do yoga at my favorite hot yoga place.
What's that called?
Sherry Goldstein's a yoga sanctuary. Shout out to them. Hot yoga. It's not.
Go raw. Hot yoga.
I'm such a hippie. And maybe we'll go no, I don't think we'll go to Red Rock or anything. That's probably it. That's probably all I'm gonna do. I'm not really gonna party or go out or anything. Most people go to Vegas to party. I go to Vegas to chill out. It's gonna be 100 every day, and I love it. I love the heat and the hotness.
You're going to relax.
Wow, you look stunning today, darling, next to this lovely bouquet. And
Thank you. Thank
Anthony, Crystal explained during that song to me.
explain what?
you. The song meant.
Really, you know what that
Oh.
song meant?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't say any Crystal.
I'm not gonna explain it to you. She already explained it to you.
I want to see if your definition was the same as mine. Maybe we thought it was something different.
No, I'm not gonna explain it.
Oh, you don't know?
No, I'm too
doesn't?
tired to explain it to
It's 5 simple words.
you. It is really simple.
Like
The fact
maybe
that you didn't know it is
six.
just sad. That
Yeah.
you didn't know that shit.
Agreed, but if you're trying to make me look like a fool, let's hear it. What do you got? What's it mean, Jeremiah?
I
Come
don't need to
on.
explain it to you.
Alex is a fool. He don't know. Oh, wait. I don't need to explain to you because I don't know either.
That's funny. I do know.
I do know. I do know.
Just say it.
Nah, I'm good.
I do know, though.
Working on this thing, what is that? What even is it? It just is full of cords and wires, and people are always out here working on it.
AT&T something. Mm-hmm.
There's definitely dirt at the bottom of my smoothie.
Jeremiah, you ready?
I was telling the guy. Well, it was a giant dirt clod that fell into the sink, and so it doesn't surprise me there was dirt at the bottom of my smoothie. Whee! Okay, so this is my official beach fit. Got this little pink and white number, different romper, and the hat, and the cat eyes.
I ain't got no worries, you see.
Pretty!
Those are sick. Are those houses?
I'm assuming so. Daddy, we're spreading peace around the world. Peace.
Peace, guys.
Peace.
Peace, guys. Peace. Over here.
Peace. Yes! Hello!
I love it.
That's awesome!
We started that trend here.
Woo! We're just kicking it at the beach. Hopefully I don't have to sit here and watch them play basketball for too long. Jeremiah and I are really fighting today, so I'm trying not to get any of our drama on camera. He's just being like really vulgar and disrespectful. So Venice Beach word 2.
Part 2.
We left Jeremiah at the basketball court because he just has a major attitude problem today, doesn't he? We're like, you can stay there. See you later. Where did he go? Beach life. Jeremiah still isn't back yet. We don't mind. We went in. I love when my hair has like the beachy, like slick back and like wet on the bottom, like beach look. I don't know why. I think it's good.
What is there to do in Wisconsin?
Not a whole lot going on in Wisconsin.
I figure.
We have a lot of cows and farmland. There's a lot of farmland, which is cool because when you come out to California, it's like buildings everywhere. Yeah.
You're like, where's the dirt?
Yeah, seriously. So we're leaving Venice. Successful beach day. Yeah? We don't have Jeremiah anymore. He stayed back with this group of people he brought, who were actually really cool and really friendly. I made some new friends. Those girls were so nice. This girl was like, she's like, is this weird if I ask you for your phone number? I was like, no, not at all. I got some new friends today. But yeah, now we're going home. Gonna go eat something probably because it's pretty late. Actually, it didn't want you to turn for a couple miles. It's like, we're using WAS right now. Oh wait, no, this is the right one. Right? No. Okay, go right on Mildred. I'm back! I don't even feel like I look that much tanner. Oh well. Yo! So this is probably going to be one of my last videos of the night because it's getting dark and I don't like shooting in here because it's like horrible lighting. But yeah, I'm just pretty much packing for Vegas. Getting some things ready, editing last night's vlog, and I'm gonna head out to Vegas tomorrow around noon. So, yep, just finishing up some stuff around my house, doing laundry, nothing too exciting. So if this is the end of the vlog, have a great night, and next time you see me, I'll be most likely in Vegas. Even though these vlogs are like 2 days behind, I'll probably still be in Vegas. Okay.